Big thank you to this video's sponsors. Check out MAD Fabworx and Fab9's websites for the best Miata parts that you can buy.
Our oil cooler kit is all installed. Thank you again, MAD Fabworx. The giveaway is still going on. It is at the end of this month. It is March. So video is down in the description below on how you can get entered to do that. So if you want to win some clutch pedal brackets from MAD Fabworx, highly recommend you go leave a comment on the last video, hit subscribe, go follow them on Instagram. Super easy. That's all you got to do. And then we'll be announcing the winner at the end of the month. So MAD Fabworx oil kit installed. If you guys missed the unboxing video for this, they include their mounting bracket, a FMIC Pro oil cooler, as well as their oil lines on the thermostatic oil filter perch. Everything is AN. It's really, really nice. This was super easy to install. Outside of getting the AN lines on the thermostatic oil filter perch because it's just kind of hard to get tools in there, but it is all installed. So this is staying on the car as is. Super happy with it. You'll notice that the Doryoku front crash bar is off. That is because it doesn't fit with my No Pro bumper. So the No Pro bumper has that like inset part where the tow hook goes, and that makes contact with the bar. And I don't want to cut that because then you will see the gold bar like through the front of the bumper. And I just don't know if that is the look. It won't look super clean. So I'm gonna keep it because something cool potentially is happening next week. But otherwise, we're gonna be running the factory crash bar, which is fine. That's, you know, not a big deal. I just like car parts and I wish I could use my car parts. But we're gonna be throwing the OEM front crash bar back on the car, which, you know, it is what it is. And our other issue, and I've mentioned this before, when you're mix and matching car parts from different companies, not everything is going to fit perfectly. So this is the Fab9 intercooler, which sits on these two holes right here on the front of the chassis, and we're pretty far off. So we're gonna have to probably cut down these tabs right here on the MAD Fabworx bracket and then make some spacers for the Fab9 intercooler. And then after that, if we get it to about right here, it won't be too far away from the chassis itself, from the mounting points, and we'll just have to kind of play around with our intercooler and charge piping. So that's just what we got to do when you're mix matching car parts. So but that's gonna be the look right there. Pretty cool. I'm excited. We're getting the plumbing done and getting closer and closer to finishing this car up. We've still got plenty of things to do to this car. I've just been insanely busy. Lots of Super Automotive Accessories orders going out, and I've been wanting to make sure I get those out to you guys before I tinker with my own hobbies, just as it should be. If you're running a little bit of a small business, you know, people give you money, you should send them their stuff. So sorry if you guys had a little delay in your orders, but everything is out now, and I'm working on the next batch now to get those sent out. So everyone should be getting their stuff. Plus, there is a new product on the site at superautomotiveaccessories.com. We have come out with a set of cabin air filters, so go check them out. They're very reasonably priced and will keep your blower motor safe from getting leaves and debris in it and all of that stuff. But we'll make a video on that in the future when the time comes. But thank you guys to those who have ordered already. You guys found the link. I haven't even really said anything about it. So thank you guys for your orders. But I know today's video was kind of a short one, but I needed to get this kit installed, and I'm glad I did. On to the next thing. And again, huge shout out to MAD Fabworx, Fab9 Tuning for sponsoring the build. I appreciate all the stuff you guys have sent me. It's really elevated this thing, and I'm stoked. I'm very happy with it. I just wish I had more time to work on it. I've just had a ton going on between work, kids, the build, I mean, family events, everything. It's just been hectic here at the garage at my house. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I know I've missed a couple uploads, but I'm working as best as I can. Like I said, working on all the Super Automotive stuff. That's been important to me to get done as well, and making these videos when I can. So as I mentioned earlier, go to the video down in the description below to get your comments in to win a set of the MAD Fabworx clutch pedal brackets. You do not want to miss out on that. Another part of it means going down to hit subscribe on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.